Why does it feel like everyone is becoming a web dev, even people who don't even like coding? Is web development really that good, or is something else pulling everyone in? Let's break it down. Here is something crazy. Many surveys show a huge majority of devs work in web related roles, whereas mobile and game dev roles are only few percent of the workforce. For example, the 2025 Stack Overflow survey found 27% of developers identify as full stack and 18.5% as front-end or back-end developers, roughly 45% in total, while only 3% were mobile developers and 0.9% were game or graphic developers. And JavaScript, it has been the most used programming language for over 10 years. So no, it's not just a hype. Web development is dominating. But why? One of the biggest reason is low entry barrier. Web development is often considered the easiest entry point into tech, especially for beginners. You can get started with just a free text editor like VS Code and a browser. No expensive hardware or complicated IDE needed. In contrast, mobile dev often requires configuring emulators, SDKs, or buying devices like Apple hardware for iOS before you can even write a hello world program. Whereas you don't need a powerful computer, complex setup, or deep programming knowledge. Just learn HTML, CSS, and basics of JavaScript, and you can build your first website in a few days. That instant start pulls in beginners like crazy. Reason number 2: fast results. In web dev, you write code and instantly see results in your browser, which is very motivating for learners. You can show off a web project instantly by deploying a site or sharing a URL. That feeling of "I built this" hits differently. Compare that to game development, where it takes months, or backend system, there is no visuals. Web dev gives quick dopamine, that's why people stick with it. And the reason number 3: huge job market. Every business needs a website, from small shops to big companies. Everyone needs landing pages, dashboards, online stores. That means more jobs equal to more opportunities and more people joining. And the fourth reason is freelancing and remote money. Web development is one of the easiest skills to monetize. You can freelance, work remotely, get international clients. Even beginners can start earning faster compared to other fields. And let's be honest, money is a big reason why people choose it. The fifth and most important reason is massive learning resources. Web dev has the most tutorial on the internet. Like seriously, open YouTube, scroll Instagram, or check any course platform. It's all HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You'll never feel stuck because someone has already solved your problem. That makes it beginner friendly and less scary. But here is what nobody tells you. Because web dev is so easy to enter, it's also the most crowded field. Thousands of people are learning the same thing, so just knowing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, that's not enough anymore. So why is everyone obsessed with web development? Not because it's the best field, but because it's easy to start, fast to learn, and quickest to earn. That's the real reason. If you are learning web dev, that's great. Just don't stop at the basics, level up yourself, and stand out, because in a crowded field, only the skilled survive. And check out our next video. See you there.